What better to go with red beans and rice than barbecue shrimp? The shrimp, look at that. So much flavor. Perfectly cooked. Complements the red beans and rice perfectly. Make sure you click on that subscribe button and click on that bell notification so you know the next time we release something. You want to make some shrimp? Let's go. So we rendered down our bacon. What we're going to add to it: oregano, chili powder, crab boil, basil, thyme, pepper, Tabasco, Dijon mustard, 6 garlic cloves, half a stick of butter. Once you get it all kind of incorporated, you let it simmer about 5 minutes.
A few minutes later.
So this is your bacon when it's done. Now we spoon that over shrimp that are peeled, deveined, tail still on, into a 375-degree oven for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, take them, turn them one time, back in the oven they'll go for about another 4 minutes. Best way to serve this barbecue shrimp, right over red beans and rice. Barbecue shrimp. Look at the bacon, the shrimp, look at that. So much flavor. Perfectly cooked, complements the red beans and rice perfectly. Make this barbecue shrimp. We'll see you next week.